Here's a question. Do you know when your house was built? Well, if the date was before 1950, this message is for you. Louisville Water needs your help. Think of it like detective work. And based on what we find, we'll pay to fix the problem. What are we looking for? We're looking for the type of material that makes up the water service line on your property. We need to make sure it's not made of lead or galvanized steel. First, a story about your water. Louisville Water produces your drinking water, and Louisville Pure Tap is high quality and some of the best. We deliver the water through a network of underground pipes. Our water mains connect to your property, and then a smaller pipe, called a service line, brings the water into homes and businesses. It's your private service line that's at the core of this detective work. We need to be positive it's not made of lead or galvanized steel. Decades ago, water utilities and plumbers often installed these types of water service lines. But as we learned more about the health dangers, Louisville Water replaced all the lead service lines it installed. Now, we want to help our customers. There are a couple of key things to know. First, if your home was built after 1950, chances are you don't have a lead or galvanized steel service line on your property. Remember, lead was a material used years ago. Even if you live in an older home, Louisville Water's already thinking about the water quality. Your drinking water does not contain lead when it leaves the water treatment plant. The risk comes from pipes and plumbing that are made of lead. Our scientists balance the water chemistry to minimize the risk for lead in a pipe to come into the water. But the best way to eliminate that risk? Get rid of the pipe. And that's where the 1950 date returns, and the big ask for our customers. Help us identify your water service line material. We're reaching out with a postcard or a letter, we're knocking on doors, and sometimes even doing a small hand dig near the water meter to find the service line material. You can also check our records at louisvillewater.com/inventory. If we find your water service line is made of lead or galvanized steel, we'll pay to fix it for free. High quality drinking water and reliable service. That's our goal. And with your help, we'll keep only the best in your glass.